Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Power Pack Bajrang Punia. Bajrang Punia was a trophy cabinet laden with medals from every competition he has participated in, starting with the 2013 World Wrestling Championship, where he first shot to fame with bronze. Given his achievements across a career that is closing in on a decade, it becomes as a surprise that Tokyo 2020 will be Punia's Maidan appearance at the Olympics. India records 41,806 fresh COVID-19 cases, 581 fatalities in 24 hours. India registered 41,806 new COVID-19 cases and 581 fatalities due to the infections in the last 24 hours, according to latest data released by the Union Health Ministry. With this, Indians' activity case load now stands at 4,32,041 till 8 am on Thursday. The Health Ministry said the death toll due to COVID-19 in the country reached 4,11,989. Maximum casualties due to the virus were reported in Maharashtra with 170, followed by Kerala with 128 in the last 24 hours. And the top 5 states which have registered maximum cases are Kerala with 15,637 cases, followed by Maharashtra with 8,602 cases, Andhra Pradesh with 2,591 cases, Tamil Nadu with 2,248 cases, and Odisha with 2,074 cases. Around 75.02% of new cases have been reported from these 5 states, with Kerala alone responsible for 37.4% of the new cases. A total 39,130 patients recovered in the last 24 hours. A total of 19,43,488 samples were tested in the last 24 hours. When MP Dayanidhi Maran found that another MP is flying the plane. DMK MP Dayanidhi Maran was traveling from Delhi to Chennai after attending a parliamentary panel meeting. Little did he know that he was in for a great surprise. As he took his seat in the front row, a man dressed in the captain uniform approached him saying, "So you were traveling in this flight as well." With both of them wearing masks, Dayanidhi Maran failed to recognize the captain but knew the voice sounded familiar. But soon he realized that it was none other than his colleague and fellow MP Rajiv Pratap Rudy, who was attending the same parliamentary estimates committee meeting with him. Narrating the incident, Dayanidhi Maran posted a series of tweets and a photo of Rajiv Pratap Rudy dressed in his pilot uniform. I realized that it was none other than my colleague, senior member of parliament and former union minister, my very good friend Thiruraji Pratap Rudy, said Maran. Maran added, just 2 hours ago, he and I were part of intense discussion at the estimates committee, and now I could not believe my eyes seeing his transformation from a politician to a pilot. While Maran is a DMK MP from Tamil Nadu, Rudy represents BJP from Bihar and also holds a Linka book record of being pilot and parliamentarian. Elon Musk congratulates ISRO for successfully conducting 3 tests on Vikas engine for Gaganyaan mission. Elon Musk on Wednesday congratulated the Indian Space Research Organization for successfully conducting the third long-duration hot test on the Vikas engine that would launch the ambitious Gaganyaan program. Musk, the founder of aerospace manufacturing giant SpaceX, commented congratulations on ISRO tweet. ISRO tested the liquid propellant because engine as part of the engine qualification requirements for the Gangayaan program. The test was conducted for the core L110 liquid stage of the human-rated GSLV Mk3 vehicle. ISRO said in the statement. The engine was fired for 240 seconds at the test facility of ISRO Population Complex, Mahendragiri in Tamil Nadu. As per the official statement released by ISRO, the engine performance made the test objectives and the parameters were closely matching with the predictions during the entire duration of the test. The formal announcement of the Gangayaan program was made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his Independence Day address on August 15, 2018.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.